Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Awaken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Evernote account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in evernote.com and press enter. Now from the official website, click on the login button and then proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from the dashboard, just hover over to your account section at the top left corner and click on the drop-down menu. Then click on Settings and this will take you to the Settings option. Now click on Login and Security and click on the link to go to your profile, and now you will be taken to your settings page. You might be asked to enter your password, so just go ahead and type it in and then click on the Verify button. You will finally end up on the security page. Now from your security page, you will be able to find the account status menu at the very end. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you can find two options. You can either deactivate your account if you wish to use it again in the future. There is also an option to close your account, which means that your account deletion will be permanent, and this will also remove your data as well as your content. So make sure you choose your option wisely and then click on Close your Evernote account in order to delete your account. You will once again be shown a warning which says if you click on Yes, then this deletion will be permanent. Just choose your desired setting and click on the Continue button, and then you can proceed through closing and deleting your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your Evernote account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.